Hello Python enthusiasts. In this video we're gonna make a candlestick chart and we're gonna use YFinance to download the stock price for this candlestick chart. So I'm gonna import YFinance as YF and I'm gonna import plotly.graphObjects. In the next cell I'm gonna download the information. But first I need to specify a ticker and we're gonna say Microsoft, so MSFT. I'm gonna say df equals to yf dot download, and here we need to pass in the ticker and the periods and the interval. And I'm gonna say ticker, which is Microsoft. The period will be 5 years. So I will download 5 years of price information, and the interval will be 1 day. So I will download the daily chart. Maybe I will run those two cells already. And now I'm going to create a new variable, candle, and here I'm going to specify the candlestick. So I'm going to say go.candlestick, and here we need to pass in the open, the high, the low, and the close, and the date of the candlestick. So I'm going to say x equals to df.index, and open will be df, open the square brackets, and column open, which is this column, df open. If I'm gonna run this, we will see those are all the open prices during the last 5 years. So we're gonna do the same for the close, low, and high. So I'll copy and paste it. So high, low, and close. So I'll say high, and this is gonna be high, low, and this is going to be low, and close, and this is going to be close. Now we're going to specify the name. So we'll say name equals to candlestick, and we're going to pass in the ticker information. So if we are plus, so if we're going to change this ticker, it's going to change automatically here. So that's all we have to do for our candle variable. And now I'm going to set the figure. So fig equals to go.figure. Fig add trace. And here we need to pass in the variable candle that we just created. And now we're going to set the height, the width, we're going to set the legend, the x-axis title, and the y-axis title. So I'm going to say fig.update layout, and auto size will be false, so it will not be able to resize. Width will be 1400, height will be 800. Show legend is true, so we will see the legend next to the candlestick chart, and the x-axis title will be the date, so date, and y-axis title will be the price and the ticker. So we're gonna write F, we're gonna do single quotes, and we're gonna open the curly brackets, ticker, and next to this we're gonna open the double quotes, we're gonna do space and price. And now if we're gonna run this, well, first we need to do fig.show, and now our code is finished, but I have an error here. Oh, I forgot to mention we have to do import plotly graphs objects as go, because everywhere we are using Go. Okay, so I will run this variable and I will rerun this cell, and maybe I will rerun everything. And now our candlestick is gonna show. So this is to create a simple candlestick. You see here MSFT price, candlestick MSFT. So if we're going to change this to, let's say, Tesla, and I'm gonna rerun it and rerun this and this, now it's dynamically changed to Tesla price, and date stays the same because we haven't specified any variable in date. So this is how to make a simple candlestick in Python.